It's gone a bit weird here. I didn't just cause a paradox, did I? Oops.